बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। Welcome back to my channel. This is decor art. Signing in. So guys, I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning and very classy looks of denim jeans recycling craft ideas. These are very beautiful, very amazing and very unique. Denim jeans recycling craft for you guys. So guys, keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. These are very beautiful, these are very amazing and very stunning denim jeans recycling craft ideas for you guys. Always take care of yourself, and these are very pretty and these are very amazing and very unique and very latest recycling craft ideas for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are super amazing, unique and very classy. Denim jeans recycling ideas for you guys. These are very unique, very stunning and very latest ideas for you guys, and I hope so you like this video. And if you want different kind of craft videos, then you leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel about different craft work. And you also watch DIY tutorials on YouTube about how to make these type of denim jeans craft ideas. Follow for more details. These are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys, and I hope you like these recycling craft ideas. So guys, remember me in your prayers. Always take care of yourself. Be happy. Allah Hafiz guys.